Hey guys, welcome back. You need to have your Microsoft Word document opened up, and you should have your Neo folk art image pulled up. Today I'm going to show you how to add color to your image. First off, we need to insert the Shapes tool, and then we're going to use the Freeform tool. If you hover over the shapes, you can see they're labeled, so it's easy to find. The Freeform kind of looks like a blob. Click on it. And now we need to figure out what shapes we're going to create and color in. This is one I did earlier, and you can see that the star is two different colors. And each one, it goes every other one. So yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, all the way around. So I'm going to kind of stick with that theme for now while I'm showing you. So we'll go back over here, and we still have, oh, it went off the shape tool. So we have to click on the Freeform tool again. Now when you use the Freeform tool, you want to click, let off the mouse, and drag the mouse. You only click where you want the shape to lock into place. So I'm going to click here and here. And once you get back to where you started, it fills in. It's as easy as that. If you need to adjust it, it's not quite right, you can go up to the top and hit Edit Shape, Edit Endpoints. And this will give you an option with little black toggles, and you can adjust as needed if you have anything that's slightly skewed or messed up. And then you just double click to get out of that. So let's see that one more time. Insert, Shape, Freeform. Then you're going to click along the shapes that you want to fill in and drag. And then you can click out to see where that is. You can also zoom in by holding the Control Alt and use the scroller bar on the mouse. That way you can get a nice close-up view. And after you go all the way around, you should end up with something that looks similar to that right there. That's what I did earlier. My computer's running a little slow today. Let's see if I can get that back where it needs to be. Okay, so then you wind up with a pattern similar to this, and you have your star. Then you can move on and do the star that's behind it, and eventually you'll add more lines, and you can keep adding different triangles and rectangles to get whatever pattern you desire.